Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today, we're reviewing the all-new OnePlus 13T. Is it truly the flagship killer of 2025? Let's find out. So let's start with the design. The OnePlus 13T comes with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and a 120Hz refresh rate. The build quality is premium, with a glass back and aluminum frame that feels super solid in your hands. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, making it a beast when it comes to performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, it handles everything effortlessly. Now let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus 13T features a 50MP primary camera with OIS and a 48MP ultra-wide sensor. In daylight, the photos are sharp with great color accuracy. The night shots, well, they're decent but could use some improvement in low light. The 32MP front camera does a good job for selfies and video calls, delivering sharp and vibrant shots. But the real surprise here is the 5x optical zoom, which lets you capture amazing details even from a distance. Performance-wise, the OnePlus 13T doesn't disappoint. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this phone can handle any game at max settings. We tested games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Asphalt 9, and the performance was absolutely smooth with no lag or stutter. The 120Hz refresh rate also makes navigating through apps buttery smooth, making it a joy to use on a daily basis. When it comes to battery, the OnePlus 13T packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with moderate use. And if you're someone who uses their phone heavily, the 65W warp charge is a lifesaver, charging the phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. So let's break down the pros and cons of the OnePlus 13T. Pros: stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 50MP camera with 5x optical zoom, fast 65W warp charge. Cons: night camera performance could be better. No official IP rating for water resistance. Price may be a bit high for some. So is the OnePlus 13T worth your money? If you're looking for a flagship experience at a slightly lower price than premium phones, then the OnePlus 13T is a solid option. With top-tier performance, a great display, and decent camera features, it's definitely one of the best phones you can buy in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and share this with your friends. What do you think about the OnePlus 13T? Let me know in the comments below.